put these up on my painting thing. Make my life easier. I have these little IKEA nightstands to make over. They were in my bedroom, but the vintage vanity that I turned into bedsides didn't sell, which was fine by me because I really love them. So I put those in my bedroom. They went better with the dresser that I made over for Phil in the raw wood and that chiffon robe that I made over for me. So it was a happy marriage of antique pieces in my bedroom. So therefore, these guys need to be made over and sold. There's Tammy. Say hello. You say hi. Super clean solution just to get the dust off. They're in really good shape. There's no repairs needed on it. And I'm going to do it in a day. You guys can do this at home. Simple makeover. These are made out of solid wood and we're going to be making them look beautiful and sellable. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so because I am using different hardware, I need the hole actually up here. So I got these dowels from, what's it called? Walmart in a pack. Assorted shapes and sizes. They've come in very handy and they were really inexpensive. So I'm going to cut that after I mark it. dry, I'm going to sand that flat. In this flip, I will be using DIY paint products. You guys know that I absolutely love DIY paint. A few months ago, I signed up to be a retailer. Things have changed, you guys. I am no longer a retailer, but I am an affiliate, which is so exciting for me. In place of heading over to my website to order DIY paint, you can follow the link below in the description and it takes you directly to the DIY paint website through my affiliate link, and I get a commission through that link with no additional cost to you. I am so excited to be partnering with Debbie and her DIY paint. I absolutely adore it. I've already said that. I cannot say enough good things about her paint. I am just in love with it. I will be using her paint more often on my channel, but that said, I will also be using other paints that I come across or have a desire to try. But DIY paint and Debbie have stolen my heart, and I am just so excited for this new change to 2023. So click the link below, you guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, DIY paint, sandy blonde. No, that's not what the color I wanted. Sorry. Oh, maybe it was. No, it was. That was lucky. Alright, laser gel wash. Here we go. Also squirting the brush, just for good luck. Gonna see how I go. See how thick I want it or transparent, whatever. Alright, you guys, I don't like the stained look. It's probably just the potty, not the potty, the knotty pine underneath. So I'm gonna go in with faded burlap, solid coverage of it on the top, just the top half. Still going for the dipped look, slightly misting, and then I'm gonna be misting my brush as I go along. If you're new and you haven't seen some of my old videos, I explain that always on the edge, I always, brush away. I never go this way, or if you do see me go this way, it's usually right from the edge across. But I like to come from the middle and go out, and then that way I'm not getting a buildup of paint on the lip, which is a large reason why drips happen down the sides. But if you start here and go out, then the drips aren't there. I'm gonna put another layer of the black on the base, so I'm not too worried about it. The faded burlap going down into the black. I'll fix that on the next paint layer. that little hole there to match it with the hole in the wood. These nightstands were a 1-day makeover. Yes, filmed over 2 days, but I didn't work on it for 24 hours straight, obviously. A lot of the prep work went into day 1, and then had to make a slight adjustment to the top and decided to paint it a solid color. I didn't like the wash on it. So I did that on day 2 and top coated throughout the day. I am really happy turned these IKEA nightstands that were build a basic, as I like to say, into something a little special and changed those pulls. I like the new pulls on it so much better. Definitely different and unique. Nobody else has these out there. I'm going to be listing these guys on Facebook Marketplace. They sell for about $140 each nightstand, which is crazy to me, but anyway. I bought these from Facebook Marketplace for my bedroom, but because we have more antique vintage furniture, these didn't go with our bedroom decor anymore, so made them over and they're going to be sold. I don't know what these will sell in my market for. I will start at $200 because they are secondhand and I did make them over, so I feel like a $200 price tag still comes in under the IKEA $140 each, so it's $80 under, but I've also made them over, so we'll see what I can get for it. If you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram or Facebook, and I will post and be sure to post an update over there when they do sell and how much I sold them for. All right, you guys, I hope I see you on the next flip. Bye, you guys. Love ya. If you enjoyed this makeover, you might like this one.